Welcome to OnSefy, your trusted AI-powered platform for secure and intelligent onboarding. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, OnSefy makes sign-up process safer, faster, and smarter. Designed with flexibility in mind, OnSefy is built as an API-first solution. This means you can easily integrate our powerful fraud detection and risk management features into any application, no matter what programming language you use. With simple, ready-to-use code lines, you're ready to start protecting your sign-up process. After each verification, OnSefy gives you the user's risk level, a risk score, a score confidence, and shows any risk patterns so you can quickly understand and act on the results. Now let's dive in and explore how it works, starting with the visual dashboard where you can monitor data and reports effortlessly. Security update. Here you get a live snapshot of the latest onboarding activity, so you can see at a glance how secure everything is. Total onboards. This card shows you the total number of accounts that have signed up so far, giving you a quick snapshot of your user growth. Fraud onboard card tells you how many accounts were flagged as fraudulent during the sign-up process. High risk onboard card shows the number of accounts identified as high risk during sign-up, helping you keep a closer eye on potential issues. Suspicious IPs card shows how many suspicious IP addresses we've detected to help protect your system from risky locations. Verification requests. Usage. Here you can see how many API verification requests you have left from your total available limit. Average detection accuracy rate. This shows the average percentage of how accurately fraud was detected over the last 3 active days. Fraud and suspicious onboards card shows the trend of fraud and suspicious signups throughout the current month, so you can see how things are changing over time. Legit versus total onboards. This chart shows how many of your signups were legitimate compared to the total, helping you track overall onboarding quality. Daily verifications. Overview. Track daily onboarding activity for the current month to better understand user behavior and trend. This link takes you to the Onboard Monitor, where you can easily track and review all your onboarding activity in one place. This section shows a trend chart of signups over time, so you can spot patterns and track growth at a glance. Here you'll see a donut chart that gives a clear visual breakdown of your onboarded accounts by category, making it easy to understand the distribution at a glance. A table listing all user verification requests for easy tracking and review. This button takes you to view details of a specific onboarded user. This section shows detailed info about an onboard, including its current status, risk assessment, and other important details. This link takes you to the Manual Actions page, where you can review flagged onboardings and decide what steps to take next. Manual Actions. This chart shows all the manual steps taken on onboarding requests, like approvals, bans, and reviews. Take a look at this donut chart to see how manual actions like approvals, bans, and reviews are distributed. This section offers quick access to reports, helping you dive deeper into your data and uncover valuable insights. This link navigates to the Fraud Data Analysis section, where you can review and analyze fraud patterns and trends. See how fraud detection accuracy changes over time with this trend chart. See the connections between various risk factors in onboarded accounts with this heat map chart. This section features a bar chart highlighting fraud patterns detected over the selected days. This matrix displays correlations between different types of onboarded accounts: fraudulent, legitimate, and suspicious, providing insight into their interactions. This link navigates to the Risk Data Analysis section, where you can review and analyze risk factors associated with onboarded accounts. Here you'll find a mixed chart that breaks down onboarded accounts into low, medium, and high risk based on their risk scores. Here you can see today's risk score analysis, showing how onboarded accounts are rated based on their potential risk levels. This section takes you to Request an Activity, where you can monitor user actions and system events to keep everything transparent. Here, you'll see a chart that illustrates the usage trends of your verification API requests across a given period. Use the Settings section to manage your API keys and configure rules. This section takes you to the Rules and Blacklist page, where you can create and manage custom rules to boost security and prevent fraud. Now let's create your own rule. First, give your rule a name. Next, select where you want this rule to apply. It could be the user's name, email, phone number, or IP address. Then choose the condition. Do you want it to start with a certain string, contain a string anywhere in it, or end with a specific string? After that, enter the string value, like emails that start with test or any other word you want to filter. Finally, hit save and your rule is ready to go. You can easily enable or disable the rule anytime using this button right here. This section takes you to the API integration page, where you can manage your API keys, keep an eye on usage, and configure your data integration settings. This is where you manage your API keys for integration. Just enter a tag name and generate your API key. This section gives you a clear overview of your usage. Here you can see your available API calls, track usage stats, and check other important details. This section lets you export user data easily. In this section, you can effortlessly export your user data in CSV format. Whether you need records for reporting, analysis, or backup, just a few clicks will let you download the data you need in a simple, easy-to-use file. That's all for the OnSefy Visual Dashboard demo. We've highlighted the essential features and provided everything you need to get started with confidence. To integrate OnSefy into your system, simply visit our documentation on the website. You'll find ready-to-use code snippets and clear step-by-step guides to help you get started quickly. No complex setup required. Thank you for watching the OnSefy demo. We appreciate your time and hope you found it helpful.